In this video, you will learn how to schedule your video on YouTube. It is simple if you follow these steps. My name is Jackie and I will guide you through the process of scheduling a video on YouTube. You may be wondering, why schedule a video? Scheduling your video will help you create a consistent publishing schedule, save time, and also improve your video ranking. So to schedule your video, go to your YouTube studio. I'm already in my studio. Then click on Create at the top right hand corner. Then Upload Videos and select a file. So here I'll select a file and then open it. So as it's downloading, let me make a few changes here. So you can fill in the description, the thumbnail, the playlist, and every other thing under details. Let's jump to video elements. Here you add subtitles, add an end screen, cards, then checks. This checks for any copyrights in your content. Now let's move to visibility, which is our interest today. So under visibility, your video will appear private, unlisted, or public. Now one thing to note, when you schedule your video, it will appear private to you and to the people who have access to your account. And it will only come out public on the day that you set it to be public. So let's click on the drop down menu and schedule this video. So let's also pick on the best viewing time. You may want to use some tools to pick the best viewing time, and depending on what day, sometimes you may have to use tools like VidIQ to help you with this. So you can also set it as premiere and then after schedule. So my video is uploading and it will appear on this date that we've input. So let me close this and go back to content. So as you can see, my video is still pending. It's because it's still uploading. Once it's done uploading, it will appear as premiere just like the rest, and it will be published on the day that we input. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was very helpful. Bye and see you another time.